Hello, and welcome to the National Veteran Small Business Engagement Profile Setup for Large Business Partners and Hosts. We will begin by entering your email address, selecting your primary function, and answering the security question. Click Continue to proceed. Step 2 refers to the company or organization details, such as your department name, your agency. If this field is applicable to you, you can go ahead and click on the menu and select from our drop-down menu. This information is not required, however, we highly encourage you to put this information in your profile. Select the organization by clicking on the drop-down menu. If this field is not applicable, select Not Applicable. Your office. Enter your phone number. This field is mandatory. And your mailing address. This field is also mandatory. Throughout our registration, all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. All other information marked without a red asterisk is not mandatory. However, it is highly encouraged that you enter this information into your profile. Step 3 refers to the attendee information. You will enter your salutation by clicking on the drop-down menu. This field is optional. If you have another salutation, for example, your rank, you can enter that in the field provided. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. If you have a nickname or a preferred name that you go by, please enter that information in the field provided. This information will be used for printing on your badge. Enter your title. Your phone number will be pre-populated from the step before. Enter your cell phone number. This information will be used to send SMS text messages throughout the engagement to keep you updated and notified should there be any changes. The information on the right-hand side is not mandatory, however, we highly encourage you to enter this into your profile. You can select the arrival date and time to your event. Click on the little calendar to select the specific date you will be arriving, and use the up-down arrows to select the time. Enter the departure date and time from the event, again using the calendar and the up-down arrows to specify the time. Enter your LinkedIn link, a brief biography of up to 400 characters. Let us know if you will require any assistance during the event by selecting yes or no. If yes, please specify your needs so that we can accommodate you at the engagement. Are you a veteran? Answer this question by selecting yes or no. If yes, please select the military branch of service that you've served in by clicking on the drop-down menu. Click Continue to proceed. Step 4 refers to the sessions that you would like to host, participate, or opt out of. To host the session, click on Host and enter the proposed session title. If you have more than one title, separate by using a comma. To participate in a session, click on Participate. If you would like to opt out of a certain session, click on Not Participating. Click Continue to proceed. Step 5 refers to the business categories. Business categories are NAICS codes that describe the goods and services that your organization is looking to procure. You can either type in the code, enter a keyword, or select an option from the drop-down menu. Please note that you can add as many business categories as you would like. There is no limit. Click Continue to proceed. In step 6, you will add the opportunity which determines your compatibility score with VOSB and small businesses that are attending. If you have any contract attributes for certain categories that were selected from the previous step, please enter them here. You can see a brief tutorial by clicking on this red button. Select the business category. Enter the title and select from the drop-down menu a opportunity value. Advise if you want to disclose this information by clicking yes or no. Enter a brief description. Information marked without a red asterisk is not mandatory. However, we highly encourage you to enter this information. You can rank the importance of federal supply schedule, business certification, socio-economic categories, and revenue. You can do so by clicking on the specific category and select how important the level is. Click Save. This will show you that your opportunity has been saved. Click on the X. You can repeat those steps for the additional categories or opportunities that you would like to add to your profile. If you are complete, click Continue to proceed. In step 7, you will be selecting your industry, which represents what you do. Make your selection by clicking on the drop-down menu. Community of interest represents the group of people you would like to meet with. Click on Extended List if you would like to know what falls under each option. To make your selection, click on the drop-down menu. The following information is not mandatory. However, we highly encourage you to enter this information into your profile. Is your organization verified through Center for Veteran Enterprise? Let us know by clicking yes or no. If yes, select the year and month that you were verified. The following information is not mandatory. However, we highly encourage that you enter this information into your profile, such as your date established, your DUNS number, business type, number of locations, the Defense Contract Audit Agency complaint account. On the right-hand side, this information is also not mandatory. However, we highly encourage you to enter this into your profile. This information includes the number of total employees, number of veteran employees, if you have set asides for small business, highest level of faculty security clearance. Click on the drop-down menu to make your selection, your bonding level, mentor-protege relationship, business certifications, annual revenue, additional capabilities, do you accept government purchase card? Enter yes or no, corporate overview, field visibility. This information is also not mandatory. However, we highly encourage you to enter this information. Please tell us which states you currently do business. If you currently do business in all states, click on Select All. If there are certain states that you do business in, click on those specific states. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. In step 8, you have the option of adding company logo and attendee photo. Please review the size and format to have uploads properly accepted into your profile. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. In step 9, you will be asked for your payment. You can enter in the coupon code and click on Verify, or you can enter your payment information. Your payment information will be obtained from your credit card or debit card, entering your number, the expiration month, the expiration year, and also the security code found on the back of your card. Verify your billing information for the payment method that was used, such as the cardholder's complete name and billing address. Click Continue to proceed. In this final step, we ask that you review the information that you have placed in your registration. Confirm that your organization name is written correctly, and you've selected the correct organization type. Confirm that the attendee first and last name is written correctly. Review the business categories that you've selected in your profile, and also the activities that you've decided to host and participate in. You will need to create a password and also verify your password. You do have the option to show your password as you are typing it. This password will be used to enter back into your profile and make updates, and also to see your agenda. You will then click that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Once the step is complete, you will click on Submit, and you will receive a success message that you have successfully registered. Once you would do this, you will also receive a confirmation email with further information regarding details about the engagement. You have now successfully registered for the National Veterans Small Business Engagement 2015.